What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in today. So, I was doing my hair and I thought I would show you guys how I achieved this style. So aside from a twist out, I really love a good perm rod set. I also used a product that I never used before, and I think it came out pretty well. So if you would like to know what that product is and how I achieved these results, then please keep watching. I started off with applying a deep conditioner to my hair last night and I slept with it in my hair overnight. So I've been trying lately to deep condition my hair each time I wash it, especially because I wore a ponytail all last week with gel in my hair. So it was definitely in need of some intense moisture. But as you all can see, I wore a garbage bag and tied it around my hair. And y'all don't even talk because it worked just as well as a plastic bag and a what's it called? What's it called, y'all? A plastic wrap. Yeah. So as you can see, I need a trim bad. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair with the Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner. showed you earlier, I ended up using the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. So it's a styling lotion, which is a little weird because when I think of styling lotion, I don't think of it as a liquid. So since it's liquidy, as you could see earlier, I ended up pouring it into a spray bottle so I could just spray it into my hair. And as you could see, when I first applied it, I applied a little too much because I've never used it before. So a little goes a long way. It also, my hair came out very soft. It's not crunchy, which I don't know. I thought because it was a liquid that it was going to come out a little hard, but my curls are not hard at all. They're very soft. So I really like the results, guys. Hey y'all, so I was supposed to end the video, but I just had to show you how my hair looked once I woke up. I woke up like this. Literally. So I don't know if all of you are familiar with the pineapple, but basically if you have a curly style and you want to preserve your style, a lot of people will put their curls up in like a ponytail or wrap it in a bun, sleep on your satin pillowcase, wrap a scarf around your head, or put a bonnet on. That way the next morning when you take your hair down, fluff it out, whatever, your curls are still intact and you can still have a good style. Well, my hair isn't long enough for a pineapple. So what I do, I divide my hair into 4 separate sections and I just put little ponytail holders, you know, around those sections, and I sleep like this. So I put the back far enough out so when I lay flat on my satin pillowcase, the curls are like that. So they're still being saved. And with the front, I put them high enough so when I lay on the side of my hair or head, you know, they're going like this. So my curls are still good. Y'all, they really held up well this time. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, thanks for watching.